Up to 1 lakh might die from coronavirus in USA. President Trump. USA President Donald Trump said that up to 1 lakh people could die from coronavirus in the country after the death toll passed his earlier estimate. I think we are going to have a vaccine for coronavirus by the end of the year. He added the USA has reported nearly 68,000 deaths from the coronavirus. I am not putting money in the wet bags. Amir Khan reported of him handing 15,000 in checks. Amir Khan talked to Twitter to issue a clarification after reports claimed that he sent a truck with bags of wet flour packets that had 15,000 cash hidden inside each of them. The actor tweeted, "Guys, I am not a person putting money in wet bags. Either a fake story completely or Robin Hood does not want to reveal himself." Aradhya thanks COVID-19 warriors with drawing Big B3 picture. Amitabh Bachchan's grandfather Aradhya has made a drawing which featured a doctor, teacher, news reporter and a sweeper among others to thank front line workers for battling coronavirus pandemic. Sharing her drawing on social media, Bachchan wrote, "You feel, you understand, you express, even if you are an 8 years old." Aishwarya Rai Bachchan also shared Aradhya's drawing on Instagram. Girls share picture of boys' locker room Insta group. Chats show blogger comments. Girls talk to Instagram and Twitter to share picture of an Instagram group named Boys Locker Room, where boys made blogger comments on girls. The boys talked trash about women, body shame them, morph their pictures. List is endless. A girl said the Delhi Commission for Women has issued a notice to Instagram and Delhi police and has asked for information.